The Houston Rockets are in town, riding an 8-game winning streak as we join Spencer Ross and Bill Raftery.
Sam gives it to Petro.
Nice ball fake. Look at this.
Puts it up.
The Globies generally stop here at the Meadowlands.
First team foul on the Rockets.
You think it's easy to guard a guy? You think he's shooting first, then you think he's throwing, then you think he stole your wallet, and then he nails it, and a smirk involved, right?
Cheeks finds Petro. Chucky Brown. Petro gets the pick from Dudley. Makes it look easy, doesn't it?
Oh, an exhibition.
21 for Drazen, and the next by Anderson trying to work on Brooks.
Nice shot by Drazen to free himself.
Puts it home. 23 for Petro.
Then he does get it to him.
Yes, he does.
And then Elijah one out, then he went down to the other side. Nice weak side check out.
Petro counted and one.
He's back. The Bada Bingo is back. Hesitation loss. You own him out on the clothesline. Up and away. And Rudy T getting just that.
T, no little foul on Rudy Tomjanovich, and Petro will shoot it. Nets lead 73-60.
Nice spread for the Nets here, getting that extra one. You get it to 15 if he makes both. Competitive. That's what this team has become.
26 for Petro, 14 of them here in the second half. And now he will shoot the free throw to try and complete the three-point play.
Number one, sense of humor. He's happy somebody else has the tee out here. Now we're in.
Ricky Mayhem. Been a real good addition to this basketball team. He knows what winning's about. Petro with his 27th point of the
Working guys. They do this 25-minute running drill, and a lot of guys contribute, but maybe not as hard as Rick.
Down to 8. That's Nito Hoop.
Nice shot by Maxwell on that curl out.
Petro.
They get the hip out.